I've never had good luck with early versions of electronic or electric pick guns, rechargeable, cordless, that sort of thing. However, in this last few years, there's some fantastic products out there. Here's the first of a couple. This is the Dino. Dino? It is made in China. It's probably the best offshore. There's various names on these things. They sort of, everybody copies everybody over there. It's got the rechargeable battery. It's a good quality one. You can hear it. It's got a little light, which is kind of cool in the dark. It's noisy. It takes a couple hours to charge it. It's good for about, I don't know, 45 minutes, maybe an hour. It depends how much you're using it for. So the kit comes with, and this is set up for North America, so it's got the charger for 110, and it comes with a little pack of bits and pieces. And so you get a nice little kit, different tips and everything. I find the best bet half the time is I just use the straight pick that comes with it. And it comes with various tension wrenches. Now, this is a practice board, so it's meant to be picked, but it's a good getting your practice on using a electric pick. And the pick guns, it's all very similar. No twisting, put it in level, don't stick it in all the way to the back and bind it. Remember, your key only goes in that far, so you don't have to stick it up to your knuckles. You don't want to be binding, you just want a light, you know, just sort of get in there. You don't want to bind it or twist it. Just get it resting gently on the pins. Now, the two methods, some people like to go from the bottom of the cylinder. I tend to go from the top. It seems to be my favorite. That's my way of doing it. What I find with them, again, this is quite easy to pick anyway, so it's just to get the feel. There we go. In a couple minutes, and beginners take a while to learn. Quick sets with spool pins, mushroom pins, all the security pins. This defeats them all. Padlocks, it will defeat the slage, the 5-pin, 6-pin. It's amazing. Again, it's a problem for law enforcement. It's too noisy. There are some quiet, specially made versions. Maybe we'll have one to show off. They're pretty cool. We're going to test it on the Kwikset Smart Key locks. I think it's going to pop those things in seconds. So here's the Dino. I guess there's various names on some of these. This one appears to be very good. Actually, this one's a couple years old now. This has been used for a while. I've had Locksmith students play with this. They haven't broken it yet. I have a couple of them, and they're all good. This is, everybody who's been trying this just absolutely loves it. This is my first time playing with it. This is the Kronos. It's from Germany. It's amazing how quick it came from Germany. I think it was a couple days. DHL, it's here, you know, right to my house. So almost as fast as Amazon. So this is the Kronos, German made. It's not inexpensive, but it's not bad pricing. It's got a nice little box for it. It's got lots of accessories. Plug spinner. The Germans make phenomenal plug spinners. You'll see the other one on the other German lock. Now this is kind of interesting that came in there. We don't use them a lot, but it's a tension wrench. This one looks extremely well made, and that's included in the kit. So you get a plug spinner for if you pick the lock the wrong way, or sometimes I had a lock a while ago, wouldn't pick to the unlocked position. I picked to the locked position, then used my plug spinner. Extra pieces, so if you break these, so that's kind of cool. So that's very good. Inside the kit, we'll get to the pick in a minute. Now this is really good. It comes with 2 batteries. It takes about 3 hours to charge them up. There's a little charger, and it's USB. Really good. So what do I got this for? Oh, that's a USB charger. So in the little bag, there's our charger for the battery. So I got 2 here. I've got a spare. Oh, my favorite, we're a screwdriver. We've got our tension wrenches, our little Allen key for the ends on there. I'll leave that out. And Now let's play with this. This is the Kronos. Get this away over here. Extremely well made. If you've seen some of the other ones I had in my collection from a long time ago, they're just really crappy. They're usually just plastic, they don't last. Extremely well made, good grip from the end here. And these batteries, I just love them because you can sit there in your case for a year. And I didn't even check to see if I put it in right. They sit for a year and they still hold the charge. Oh, good. Right off the bat, I put it in right. So let's just put the little tip on there. I'm going to edit this a little bit, but oh, super long. Get some pictures of that later. Okay, you can get a close-up on this, on me putting it together. The Germans are known for quality tools. This is mid-range compared to some of the really expensive ones. I'll put the links in so you can see the pricing and where to order it. Extremely well made and nice hold to it. Again, this is our practice pick board. It's meant to be picked. It's good practice, so you learn how to do it. With all pick guns and electric pick guns and picks, you can't bind it. You've got to put it in level, nice. You can't bind it. Don't stick it in up to your knuckles. You know the key only goes in that far. It's got lots of bits and pieces. It's got the tension wrenches with it. As people know, I like to pick from the top.
Hold on.
This is, again, put it in so it's not binding. Oh. Wow. So I think this is going to last forever. It's extremely well made for the locksmith. It's fantastic. You can use it every day. It looks like it's going to stand up. This is probably one of the best built electric picks ever made. It's the WENDT. It's from Germany. It's very expensive. It's fantastic. There's been other companies that are starting to catch up, I'll say that, but the quality of this for a long time has been extremely high. I've had this for years. It's top of the line. The kit comes with a whole pile of different picks for different locks. The CD is amazing. Now there's a couple versions of this. This is the law enforcement version. So it's got lots of the bells and whistles. The video alone is fantastic. It's got extra parts, extra pieces. This one's meant for the world. Anywhere you are, this one's made for it. Extensive instructions, CD. These guys are amazing. Their product lines beside this pick gun is fantastic. Do I sound like a fan? I've been using this for a long time. Law enforcement's been using it for a long time when they're allowed to use it. You know, we still need to do traditional picking because of the noise these make. You can't really use these in a covert situation. However, there are some versions that are super quiet. This one is extremely well made. And again, this is the top of the line for its time. I've got to check the catalog, see what's happening now. But the kit comes really fantastic. Rechargeable batteries right out of the kit. It's can do through your, this is an older version, so it doesn't have USB, but I do have another one with USB. So this is for plugging into your car, 12 volt. Right off the bat is the adapter. So everything comes Euro, but it comes with an adapter right inside the kit. It also has a very high quality. The Germans make just fantastic. So I have probably my favorite plug spinner from WENDT, as well as this one's better for tension wrench. Some people prefer this one. They get a better feel for it. You have more space. This is a tension wrench. This is a plug spinner. This is a tension wrench. So this is one of the best plug spinners made, and this is one of the best tension wrenches made. My earlier videos, I found another one that's my new favorite. These guys have been doing this for a long, long time. So everything is quality, everything's fantastic. And you got a little leather case for holding all your bits and pieces. Picks for the end, wait till you... These are, again, law enforcement for anywhere in the world. They have something for every single lock out there. And then they have the secret stuff that you won't even see that's out there. So it's for the locksmiths, this is a phenomenal tool, law enforcement phenomenal tool. And here is, it's adjustable. You can put in various different picks on the end. It's adjustable here, and you got a fine adjustment even on here. I'll put the batteries in it. It takes rechargeable batteries. Again, the instructions are just, a course on its own is just the instructions. If you're able, they have two catalogs, one for law enforcement, one for everybody else. It's really something to get your hands on it. Options galore. Do I sound like I'm in love with it? Yes. It is very expensive. This one has a full range of adjustments, fine tune it. Just this one, I can slide it from here. Changes the pulses per minute or per second. You can adjust it. When you're practicing more with your local locks, you'll figure out what's the best thing for you. There we go. So I picked it the wrong way. I'll take the flipper. Again, extremely well made. Now this will flip it so quick. There we go. This is my favorite electric pick. It's very expensive. It's the Rolls Royce. It's got so many adjustments. It's adaptable to almost any lock that you have to pick almost anywhere in the world. That it takes a little while to get used to it. This is totally adaptable to almost any lock you're working on. This is what you judge everything else to. If it can come close to this, it's great. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.